Hello there! I am back for another interesting video. Welcome to Neckarsteinach, a picturesque destination in the Bergstrasse district. The charming town lies on the banks of the river Neckar and is surrounded by breathtaking scenery. This place is unique in Germany, not only due to its historic old town, the castles namely Burg Schadeck, Hinterburg, Mittelburg, and the Vorderburg, and last but not the least, the 5-kilometer long car-free promenade along the banks of the river give the town an unmistakable image. Lying right on the banks of the river Neckar, this pretty town exudes peace and tranquility. If you have plans to visit Germany and are not sure if Neckarsteinach should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to do in Neckarsteinach. The town is easy to reach by train. Neckarsteinach railway station is located a short walk outside the old town. Due to its location surrounded by mountains, it offers a spectacular view of the surrounding area. The town is best known for its 4 castles, easily reached by a pleasant walking path and trail. One day is enough to explore the town. The town center is pedestrian-friendly and is easy to explore on foot. Neckarsteinach has a wealth of historic buildings too, including but not limited to its town hall, which was built in 1861 and 1862, town walls, and churches. As you stroll through the historic town center, you will discover few beautiful half-timbered houses and panoramic alleys. There are 2 opposing churches in the town, with its religious significance considered as one of the town's highlight. The Neckarsteinach Evangelical Church, for example, with its most important art treasures like the epitaphs of the Landshad von Steinach family and replicas of the stained glass windows from 1483. The Catholic Herz Jesu Kirche was built in neo-Baroque style between 1906 and 1908. The main altar from 1750 shows Saint Stephen in the middle. The place is labeled as the City of 4 Castles, located in the most beautiful part of the Neckar Valley. Has had city rights since 1377. You can visit all 4 castles within 10 minutes on foot. My first stop was at the front and the middle castles. Unfortunately, they are privately owned, so you are not allowed to enter the area unless with permission. So I continue walking till I reach the Hinterburg Castle. I already enjoyed the scenic view even if I am still at the ground level. You will have the opportunity to climb the tower. The climb up to the tower, including the viewing platform, is a bit strenuous. A flashlight is an absolute must here. It is dark and you can't almost see the stairs. However, once you reach the top, the breathtaking 360 degrees view of the Neckar Loop and the opposite Dilsberg Castle is well worth it. After Hinterburg, I walk another few minutes towards the Schadeck Burg. Perched high on the hilltops and rocky outcrops, this ruin also lines the river like pearls of medieval monuments. From the top of the castle walls, one can enjoy a wonderful panoramic view of the town and the whole area. Neckarsteinach in the Bergstrasse district is definitely worth a trip. It is the perfect getaway into Germany's wonderful countryside. Discover this charming town with its historic castles, cultural highlights, and culinary specialties, as well as the many outdoor activities. There is really something for everyone here. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!